Alexa, turn on switch 1.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off switch 1.
Okay.
Turn on switch 1.
Alright, turning on the switch 1.
Turn off switch 1.
Okay, turning off the switch 1.